constant display of our cultural diversities. You can follow us on our social media channels.
At Zanzi Entertainment, and I'm Mr. Tourism.
And I remain your host, Mr. White.
And I'm Karis.
See you.
Okay.
Yeah, you're rolling. So she's coming from here. She's walking. Yeah, we'll come in and let's meet.
Yeah.
I think
So I think
Nigeria 2023 tour guide, and these are the contestants here with me. So let's hi. What's your name? And what's the area you represent? Okay, so right now today, how do you feel?
very fine, relaxed.
Well, I choose Mr. Tourism because I definitely know this is what the best platform to elevate and also to bring humanity to Nigeria. Yes, and also promote tourism in Nigeria around the world. And also, if I win Mr. Tourism today, I promise Nigeria that I will try my best to bring this platform to the next level. Also, help less privilege. Thank you.
Like I just said, I'm representing Abuja. I want to be the next Mr. Tourism because of my uniqueness, passion to promote our culture and tourism, and also to help the less privileged in our society.
Thank you.
I'm Nkiru Umeh. I represent Orange State, as you can see on my Mr. Tourism flyers. So, to me, I believe tonight is a great night and it's one of the best nights I will ever have. So, and let's not forget, the tourism itself is all about culture, about humanities and how life goes with people. So, I believe tonight I'll be top winners of this and I'm going to make a change. I believe that.
you've seen our contestants. Tonight, one of these contestants is going to walk away with 2.5 million naira cash prize, a chance to represent Nigeria at international pageantry, and a one-year modeling contract. I must say to my dear viewers, that's quite a lot. Until I come your screen again, I go by the name Mr. White.
Quite an experience at the camp and everything. But you know, Nigeria is a place filled with diverse culture and art, and the fact that it is also fixed in tourism. So, as Mr. Tourism, I'm in there to give the best, to explore, fixing how art, culture, tourism are together. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, check me out.
I'm here.
Nigeria. Designers who are competing for a chance to be awarded with a sum and also a place in a designer contest. Many were shortlisted, but 3 made it to this last round. This particular challenge is to select the best out of the 3. The winner of this challenge will be awarded with cash prize and also an award. So for the judges of this passion segment, please help me welcome CEO Ipese's World Global, Mr. Joe, to please come on stage. Please sit at the judges' table, please. And also Mrs. Ebere Amasero, please have a seat on the judges' table. That's fashion and design home. The designer was inspired by his father, who was a tailor. He started working in the family business and grew to become the boss of himself. His collection today is a fusion of Africa and foreign fashion trend. Ladies and gentlemen, please encourage the designer and also encourage the contestants who are modeling for the designer when they come out. Are we ready? Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful August fashion. A round of applause for August fashion. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, for the young designer of fast fashion. The fashion rebel. A round of applause for the fashion rebel. It's an educational grant that promotes sustainability and helps reduce the waste deposits of the environment, thereby improving the environmental conditions through their results. A round of applause for Passion Rebel himself. A round of applause for him.
Shouldn't be a problem.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Rana Rana Ranu Rena नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं
So I'm waiting for you. Say hello to somebody. Get to know them. I will ask you. You greet your neighbor, maybe you know greet them. Shall you see what I'm saying? So let's do this again now. So this song will ginger you. Stay to your left one more time. So once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to the heels dropping, stomach running, spirits lifting, eyes rolling, neck twisting, beautiful lady. Please put your hands together for Karis Agidigori. Please now flash comes on stage.
citizens. Like, I'm beautiful. I mean, look at you now. Come on, you're looking so good. You're handsome.
Do you know what's gonna happen, eh? May not be outside the line. Please, DJ, play me a song. Make she turn around when I see what's in the talk. He's dripping. She's sweating glory. Are you whining me? Hold there. Hold there. Hold there. Alright, so bring it down. Thank you very much. Kill it, DJ, kill it. Alright. Talking, eh? I'm not a contestant too. But I feel like to contest for her.
You want to watch me?
Is that true? Can I try? Give me the go ahead now, guys. Let me try. Alright, Miss Paris here is the winner, most beautiful face in Nigeria 2018. Is that not incredible?
I mean, that's incredible until you hear that Mr. Whitehair is a 2022 Mr. Tourism Nigeria Sultan King. I mean, just last year he was on the stage contesting.
You like it? Stop it, Jonah.
Come on now, he's now co-hosting with me. Come on. I was hosting on the show last year, and now he's here co-hosting. I mean, is that wonderful?
Thank you. What Zanzi cannot do does not what?
Exist.
So put just together for yourself one more time. Honestly, it's a privilege for me to stand here tonight. I would have loved to give you guys all the interesting stories. But if you're creative in the building, you're aspiring to be an actor, a musician, a model, I would want you to key into a platform like Zanzi Entertainment to help you sharpen you. I'm not saying you're not sharp, but you should be sharp enough to cut certain things. No matter how glass fine rich, you know if you use that as fun, the damn water. Abi? So put your hands together for yourself, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, so welcome again, once again, to Mr. Tourism Nigeria 2023. And Mr. Tourism Nigeria 2023, this whole guide, it's a male pageant that basically focuses on promoting tourism, and also it projects Nigerian tourist destinations to the world. In this light, Mr. Tourism Nigeria 2023 focuses on every edition in a particular ethnic group. They focus on different ethnic groups in every edition, and you know we have diverse ethnic group in Nigeria. I mean, we're aware of that, yeah. Yeah. We're aware of that, yeah.
And in light to that,
leaving here until you reply me. We're aware of that, yeah. Yes. Okay, thank you very much.
And in light to that, we have like few tourist centers, which include the Zuma Rock, Olumo Rock, and even the Cattle Ranch. Anyone there your village?
Where the spring water.
We're not supposed to. A lot of people don't get any tourist attraction.
Come on, we do the Obo Palace now. It's supposed to be a tourist attraction.
Alright, so back to business of tonight. Our first thing we're going to see tonight is our contestants coming out in their creative attire. Please, if your hands are not weak and your feet are not heavy, with a standing and a clapping ovation, put your hands together for our wonderful, marvelous contestants as they come out in their creative attire.
But just before we go, we forgot to mention, this year we're focusing on different tourist destinations, different tourist attractions in Nigeria. So this year it's broad. We're just looking at tourism, you know, since Mr. Tourism Nigeria 2023. So let's welcome the Mr. Tourism contestants in their carnival attire.
Please put your hands together for them. If they don't come on stage, don't stop. In such, clap the number of years you want to give.
Thank you.
See them.
Magic land of Abuja.
from Delta State, representing Niger State.
Pine Forest. Hey.
A round of applause for our contestants.
I'm representing Osun State. Marimi Adesola.
Ejimadu Prosper, the Ojuku Bonga of Abia State.
Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen.
Destiny Manque, Bayelsa State Peace Park.
Praise, representing Jigawa State.
Make some noise for Mr. Jigawa.
Naji Chukuka, Keke of Anambra State.
A round of applause for our contestants.
My name is Swalando Kubo, Port Harcourt representing Rivers State.
Their creative idea by Mr. Steve Ray, a renowned fashion designer and costume maker. Once again, a round of applause for Steve Ray. Make some noise for our contestants, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for our contestants in their creative attire. You can tell that Nigeria is truly blessed, and we have unity in our diversity. A round of applause for our contestants in their creative attire. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. MCT, MPFN, and Mr. White was on this stage last year, and today he's hosting. A round of applause for him, please. Full of talent plenty. I'd like to thank you all for coming, and for those watching online on YouTube, thank you for staying with us to this moment, and thank you for trusting this brand. We did not invite you not because we don't like you, but because we thought you're special. And today is our duty as the organization of Mr. Tourism Nigeria to appreciate them and to tell them well done for what you're doing. I know it's not enough, but we start from somewhere. So to do that, I'd like us to welcome, please, on stage, Aderonti, please come on stage. Queen, to please come on stage. And I'd like to please welcome a person of the veteran in our midst,